Hi everyone. This is a quick demo of the Agentic Engineer platform built on top of OpenChoreo. The idea is to provide the complete software development lifecycle within this platform. As you can see, we already have a project set up here that simulates an HR system. For this demo, I'll create an app to organize a Secret Santa event within the company. What I can do is I can go to the new project, enter Secret Santa. Okay, now I can enter my prompt. It'll be very high level. As you can see, we have very high level requirements that the AI has generated for us. Okay, the requirement looks good, but I want this to use that HR app and use the employee app API out there so that I don't have to invite everyone. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the chat window and tell that requirement here. Okay, so the AI did the edits for me. Can accept that. I also want to enable sign-in option. Okay, this looks good. So in any org, we have different processes, right? So we have business analyst, all that. So in this platform, we have multiple ways to cater these requirements a bit more precisely. We have functional requirements, user stories, so many options. These things can be added also. But here, since this is a very small project, I don't want to put the details. But I'm just going to generate some wireframes to see if this is the kind of application that I want. Yeah, as you can see, they keep generating these wireframes. This looks about right. This is what I want. So it seems like the requirements are clear. So I'm going to press publish. Yep. As you can see, we have the architecture generated from the requirements that we just specified. So we can see this web application, the API, and it also connects to this external API called employee API, which is from our other project, remember? If you can go a bit in deep into this. So if you're an architect, this is where you will mainly live, right? You can obviously change this too. For in this API, the language is Go, right? We use Docker, it's a service, API security, everything is there, and the descriptions and details. And we have open API spec generated for this as well. From this one, we know, okay, this is the kind of API which you have, we can define the boundaries. If you go to the web application, it's a React app. It depends on this API. You have all the information. So this looks good for me. So I'm going to go to the next step. As you can see, the implementation tasks are generated for the components that we recognized earlier. You can expand and see the details. And one important thing about this platform is everything in this platform is Git integrated. If you click on that, then you see. So we have an entirely self-contained Git issue created for this. This is a second issue, right? We have another one here for web app. And not just that, even the requirements, the specifications, right? Design, the OpenAPI specs, everything is in this repository. So this will be the source of truth for your project, right? So when we go into the implementation, we have two options. One way would be You can implement this locally using your own favorite coding agent. You can install our skills, the plugins that we have, then you can interact with the system nicely. That's one way to do it. That's good if you want control over your code, if you want to be in the loop, that's totally fine. Second one is we have remote agents, which is a workflow that's running inside OpenChoreo itself. There, what we do is we spawn up a coding agent and then ask them to work on this particular issue. So which is what I'm going to do here. Yes, so the tasks are in progress. You can see the web app is depending on the API, so it's on hold. This is started. As you can see, you get the live progress. It picked up, it created the environment, picked up our skills. Then it looks into the GitHub issues, as I mentioned, and then it'll keep doing it and come up with a PR. As you can see, the commit is done, the PR is created. Let's have a look. So it closes the issue one. It implemented the services which we requested. Ideally, you can review this manually or ask our agent to do it, but for now, I'm just going to merge it. So as you can see, it picked up the merge from the webhook, and it starts to build in the OpenChoreo platform. As you can see, the deployment is done. So this is the first API. So let's go back into the task. Okay, this is moved into the run state. Now the second web app is building now. Let's wait for that too. So we'll be fast forwarding this. Okay, the web app deployment also is done. So let's go back to our task. Okay, everything seems to be fine, right? So let's go to the overview. You see the overview, and okay, inside the web app, deploy. Here we have the endpoint for our web application. I can give it a try. As you can see, we have a sign-in page which we requested. So this is through the Thunder IDP. So I already have the users there. Okay, seems like I need to make a exchange. I'll just call this Christmas. As you can see, system picked up all the participants. This is coming from that employee API, remember? And yeah, this is me, John. I had to buy a gift for Emily. That's the Secret Santa pick. So that's it for the demo. The entire platform is open source. The GitHub link is in the description if you would like to try it locally. Thanks for watching.